All right, about 10 years ago, I was having trouble with my '06 Tacoma with somebody siphoning the gas. And we all know that the gas door doesn't lock. It just opens and closes. So I looked online for a simple solution, way to lock the door. I didn't find any, nothing easy. So I went the route of a locking gas cap, and that worked for a couple months. And then one day I opened the door and it fell out of my hands. They busted it right off. So I said there's got to be a way to do this. So what I figured out was a sliding deadbolt system. It's very easy to use. I think it should work on 05 to 15 or 16 Tacomas. Correct me if I'm wrong. And as long as you have these pockets that are right behind the door in the bed, it'll work. So all I did, I removed the catch that was here, saving the screw. I made this piece of tubing to go in its place, and I also removed the pin that was here. And once you remove the pin that's here, put a Sharpie or a pencil in there and mark the hole on the pocket behind it. So once you mark the spot on the inner pocket, you just have to, it's kind of hard, you have to lift up and pull it out like that. And with your spot marked, just drill it, pop it back in. And with the pocket removed, you can drill the hole. And I made this deadbolt pin. So it's very easy. The deadbolt pin stays in there. And with it in there like that, once you're done filling the gas, it just takes 2 seconds to lock the door. And sure, if they use enough force, they could break it, but I haven't had a problem in 10 years. It's been working very well. So there you go. You can make your own receiver and pin, or for 20 bucks, you can PayPal or Venmo me, and I'll make it for you and send it to you. Free shipping.